Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad Lang at MarineMax Stuart. Today, I'm going to walk you through a 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. I'm going to start up front at the walk-through windshield. You have starboard and port settees. You also have armrests on either side. You have cup holders, stereo remote, stereo speakers. Up front, you have an anchor locker. You have your washdown, which is fresh water. You also have in-floor storage up here. And as we walk aft through the walk-through windshield, which is really tall, you'll see you have access to a port side head area. Very spacious for a 33-foot day boat. Now we're going to get to the helm area, and we'll join you back here in just a moment. Hey everybody, it's Brad again from MarineMax Stuart. Now we're at the helm of the 330 Vantage. You have your dual Simrad screens. You have a remote control spotlight here with your air conditioning vents here at the helm. It's a really nice push button lit switches, digital throttle and shift, and your joystick. This helm seat is an electric seat. It goes fore and aft. You've also got your Lemco trim tab switches here and a tilt steering wheel. Very nice helm station. In the cockpit area, you have stadium seating where this seat adjusts and makes into a day bed. You also have adjustable seat on the port side, or seated off to your starboard with storage everywhere you look. Out back, you're going to have your grill, more storage drawers. This specific boat, you have a live well to starboard. You have your sink prep area here in the center of the transom, cup holders and more wash down areas back here. You also on this boat have a really convenient fridge located on the transom. And you've got your powered outboards. On the starboard side, you're going to have your walk-through door. Very beefy, very nice door. And on your port side, you're going to have your shore power and your wash down over here. Of course, in-deck fish boxes on this boat as well. That's about it. If you want to see this boat, stop by MarineMax Stuart and see me. Again, thank you for coming.